What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another easy to follow recipe to conquer your backyard barbecue. In today's video, I will take you through the steps of smoking St. Louis style ribs in your Masterbuilt Electric Smoker using the 3-2 it's up to you method. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest my channel does have to offer. The Masterbuilt Electric Smoker is a smoker I used when I first started my smoking journey. I like it because it is very user-friendly and perfect for someone who is just starting off. For this smoke, you want to set your smoker at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 hours. Next, load your ribs bone side down. I seasoned these bad boys the night before using Rudy's Rub. I'll leave a link in the description below for the seasonings along with other useful products you can get on Amazon or Walmart. Using those links helps support my channel. This Masterbuilt Electric Smoker can really hold a ton of meat. It has 4 grates that can handle 8 racks of ribs. I've even smoked 5 briskets one time in this smoker. Next, you want to install your water pan with the deep end towards the heating element and add water to the pan. This helps keep the smoker nice and moist during the cook, preventing your meat from drying out. Now it's time to load up your ribs. Next, you want to add your wood chips. Post oak is my go-to for these types of smokes. Make sure to install the drip pan, admire your work, and close the door. After a few minutes, you should be able to see some smoke coming out of the damper. Add chips every 30 to 45 minutes or when you see smoke stop coming out of the damper. I like to dump out the ashes from the tray at least once during the smoke. I've noticed that if you leave the ashes there for too long, it doesn't produce as much smoke. Continue doing this for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can pull out your ribs to wrap them in foil. To prepare for this step, you need to get some pineapple juice, barbecue sauce, and brown sugar. Place it on the foil before you lay your ribs bone facing up. Wrap them up and stick them back into the smoker. Continue smoking them at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 more hours. There is no need to add any more chips since they are wrapped in foil and the smoke will not get to them. After 2 hours, we get to the it's up to you part of the method. I will warn you, at this stage of the smoke, your ribs are going to be very, very tender. They are literally falling apart. After 2 hours of being wrapped in foil, you have a couple of different options depending on how you like your ribs. Option 1. Unwrap the ribs, cut them up, and serve them. This is when your ribs are at their softest. Option 2. Unwrap your ribs and place them back into the smoker for up to an hour so they can stiffen up. You will notice they will start to stiffen up as quick as 10 minutes into the unwrapping part of this. Or option 3, add some barbecue sauce to your ribs and stick them back into the smoker for 20 minutes. This will add that barbecue sauce flavor to your ribs. So, depending on your preference, you choose the option that works best for you. For this video, I unwrap them as carefully as possible and place them bone side down for 30 minutes. Just enough time so they don't fall apart on you while you're trying to cut them up. Finally, we get to divide and conquer these ribs. Even with me putting them back into the smoker for 30 minutes to stiffen them up, they are still clean bone certified. A good rule of thumb when cutting your ribs is to count at least 2 bones before cutting. This gives you a nice enough piece to enjoy. All that is left is to repeat the process to all of your ribs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.